Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to day 2 of our Making Inferences review. As you remember from yesterday, we did inferences from a picture of the kids who were at the petting zoo or farm, and we talked about what we see and using what we see and what we know ourselves through our experiences to come up with an inference. Today we're going to do the same thing, coming up with inferences, except this time it's going to be on text as opposed to a picture. So what we can do there is I have provided a text here that I'm going to read to you, and I'll be talking out loud about how I would go about finding an inference for these things here. So this is the text right now that I will read to you. So bear with me here. Okay, let's change the color to that. All right. A mother called to her children to wake up quickly. Let me stop right here and remind you. Making inferences is when we have to figure out what's going on in the story to comprehend the story, even though it's not explicitly stated. This is where we will just use our own experiences and what we read, the clues in the text, to come up with the answers to those questions. I will now start over. Sorry about that. A mother called to her children to wake up quickly. Panic could be heard in her voice. She rapidly dressed her younger daughter while handing clothes to her older daughter. The children were ushered to the bathroom and told to have their teeth brushed by the time she returned. She then rushed to the kitchen and snatched some toaster pastries from the cabinet. She shoved them into the hands of her kids as she hurried them out the door, just in time to see the yellow flashing lights stop at her driveway. The question is, what can you infer is going on? Okay, so what we can infer is going on? Well, the mother woke her children up and she did it quickly. None of that, hello, wake up. It was like a quickly, either shaking them or almost yelling at them. And you could hear panic in her voice. So that tells me when parents have panic in their voice, it means there's something going on, right? And because panic is usually something parents try not to do with their kids to show them they're calm and that they have the situation under control. This was not one of those situations. So she quickly dressed the younger daughter because the older daughter could probably handle getting dressed herself. They had to quickly brush their teeth, and then when you see that at the end of the driveway, there's yellow flashing lights. Well, yellow flashing lights usually can mean a bus. So the question is, what can you infer is going on? If I had to guess, based on the panic heard in the voice, toaster pastries given to the daughters as she hurried them out the door, meaning they have to have a quick breakfast, I am guessing that the children are late for school and that they had to hurry up to get ready so they could make it onto the bus. I'm guessing it was the mom's fault in the fact that she had to quickly run up there to wake them up. So maybe the mom forgot to set her alarm and she's quickly trying to get them ready for the bus. So what can you infer is going on? I am guessing that the mom woke up late and the children need to get ready quickly so they don't miss the bus to school. That's the inference we can make. At no point does it say they woke up late. At no point does it say that they're going to miss the bus. But there's enough clues in the text that we can figure that out. Also, if any of you have woken up late, you know what that feeling is like, trying to get ready quickly so you're not late for your practice, not late for the bus, not late to get somewhere to celebrate for a birthday party or something along those lines. So your own experience can help you with that as well. Now it says what evidence comes or from the text supports your inference. Okay? I think some things that can let us know what's going on is wake up quickly. Also, panic in mom's voice. Shoving toaster pastries into hands of children, instead of having time to sit down and have some cereal, eggs, a better breakfast than just the toaster pastries. And then yellow lights flashing at the end of the driveway. That's the clues from the text that let us know what's going on. Now, most of us can relate to this, definitely, because we've all had those moments where we have been late for something. So, again, what inferring is we come up with the comprehension of the story that's not explicitly stated. We had to figure that out. And then we want to find evidence from the text as well as what we know from our own experiences. And that is how we do inferences. Thanks again for listening. Please do the seesaw assignments where there'll be a couple of worksheets with these exact type of situations where you will want to read the passage and then answer the questions. Please answer them in complete sentences as well. Thank you very much. Have a great day, 4th grade. Any questions, please ask your teachers, and have a great day.